Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Markets in Big Cities of Pakistan. Today's lecture 8, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students. So under the title of writing, we are going to learn to write a short note. We'll cover page number 27 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have taught you how to write a small invitation. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And today we'll learn further to read short notes written for different purposes and to write short notes. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah 41 verse 44, and declare, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam, that the Quran is a guidance and healing for the believers. Yes, my dear children, this is such a straight message. Quran is a guidance and healing for believers. This is how, Alhamdulillah, Quran's messages are to the point, very clear. And we should learn to communicate like this. Such type of brief, to the point information is known short notes. Okay, so you also tell me what is a short. What do you think? What is a short note? Pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered correctly because I just gave you a clue that a short note is to the point and brief. Its message can be quickly understood. And one thing more, better, when we talk brief and to the point, it doesn't mean incomplete. It should be complete as well. Okay, and to make it a complete note, these are the points we follow. Date your note and write the name of the person for whom the note is written. Make the main message visible. Don't write everything down. Okay, don't write everything. What you will write down the important points only. And keep your sentences short. Write your name beneath so that it should be clear who has written this note. Okay, so these are the points we should follow while writing a note. So let's see what does your book says about it. It's written on page number 27 that a short written message is called a note. We write notes to friends and family and use in informal language. So we need not to write all the details. Informal language doesn't mean that it should be substandard. It should be standard language, but we just write to the point. And you can use a small piece of paper for note writing. All right, here is a format. This note is written, this name is telling for whom it's written. It's written for Sarah. To whom this note was written? To Sarah. And what is the message? We are going to Aunt Rehana's place. We will be back at 3 p.m. Okay, this simple message. And who has written? Sarah's father. Okay, so father has dropped a message for Sarah that we are going to Aunt Rehana's home or place and by 3 we will be back. So Sarah was at school, so parents have to leave. They drop this message for Sarah. Now after reading this message, Sarah quickly find out what happened. Okay, so this is how we write short notes. Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so it's activity time. I'm going to check it. How much have you grasped? All right, so what we are going to do, teacher will divide class in 5 groups and will write a note on the board. Now teacher will ask the students to write a reply of that note on a piece of paper or on sticky note, and teacher will create 5 different scenarios for each group. Okay, so how we are going to create scenarios, like for example, this is the message, this is the note which teacher has written on board. I'm Sarah and for me this message has been written. How I'm going to reply? Because this note was from father, so I'm writing in reply, dear father, I have to prepare a group assignment with Fatima, I'm going to library to join her. We'll be back by 3:30. Sarah. Right? So maybe by 1 o'clock when I came back from school, I find this note, and I have to prepare assignment. I have to join Fatima in library. Maybe by 2, and by 3:30 I'll be back. So I have written over here so that when by 3 my parents will reach home, they will find where I am. Right? This is how we write. So likewise, teacher will write a note on board, and you may use the same note even for pattern. And you in 5 groups will write different replies to same message. Okay, you understand? Pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, have you written your note in reply? Good job. Now you have thoroughly understood. First we understood, then we have written. So are you ready for classroom practice? All right, all of you open your book on page number 27. And we are going to do question 12. What is that? Write a note to your classmate to meet you in the playground at break time. Okay, you want to see one of your classmates in playground at break time. So just write a note. Pause the video. Write this note in your notebook. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. What you will do? You will write in your notebook a thank you note to your friend for accepting your offer. So you have written a note to your classmate to join you in playground. He accepted and you were there together. Now you will write a thank you note for accepting your offer. Okay? All right. And I'm giving you this worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and print the worksheets. Kindly give printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, you will read this note carefully and will answer these questions. You will complete these sentences and this note as well. Okay, so in this way, what we have learned today, we learned that a short note is to the point and brief. Its message can be quickly understood. We read short notes and we practiced writing short notes. So in this way, we achieved that today's SLO, read short notes, written for different purposes to write short notes. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing, keep learning, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.